Listen to me carefully. Just forget about this dream that you are going to be fluent in English language, because you are not going to be fluent in English. I'm just saying it. If you have been putting efforts to learn English for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, still you consider yourself that I don't speak good English, I make lots of mistakes, I can't use advanced words, and because of that, you are waiting for the perfectness. You are waiting for perfect grammar, you are waiting for advanced vocabularies, you are waiting for idioms and so many things to speak, to include while speaking. Because of that, you are not speaking. So it means you are not going to be a fluent English speaker, and you are not on the verge of becoming fluent English speaker. I'm just saying this, not at someone's behest. I'm just saying it on behalf of your inner self. Because your inner self always listens your words that you repeat in your mind. You always say to yourself throughout the day, oh, I'm not good at all. I can't speak fluent English right now. I have to learn lots of words. I am not perfect. I have to ponder upon it a lot, and you ponder about it. You anticipate about it a lot, and you don't take the action which is really needed. Literally, you are doing only this thing because of which you are regretting right now, and you will be regretting. You will be regretting until you take your first step. You know, in my group, as I have told, I have started a group for ladies for their speaking practice. Many of the homemakers, they have joined this, no doubt. I appreciate them that they had the courage to join the group. But after joining the group, so they are not so active, because I don't know what is the reason they are not so active. They speak, there's no doubt. They do practices on and off, but they are not regular and consistent with their practices. Maybe for them spending 150 rupees it's not a big deal, or they don't take this language seriously. Until somebody puts you in do and die kind of situation, you won't take anything seriously. Isn't it? Yes. And that's why you are here right now. Despite spending lots of time, irrespective of doing everything, still you are lagging behind as compared to others. You have taken classes, you have learned everything, you are watching English videos, you can understand others easily when the others speak. Then what is your problem? Then if you can do all those things, then what is your problem? Why are you not speaking? It means you are not believing in yourself. You know, you know, each and every cell of our body listens to us. And whatever kind of emotions or feeling we always have inside us, we release kind of energy. We create that kind of aura around ourselves. If you are having negative belief around within yourself, then you are going to attract only negative thing, because then you are going to be kind of a negative magnet, a magnet for negativity. So of course you will attract only negativity. You are not going to be what you really want to become in your life. So if you really want to achieve anything in your life, then you will have to start believing in yourself. From today onwards, start believing that you are a confident English speaker. You speak English fluently. You can make others understand. If you can make others understand easily, then congratulations, you are a good speaker. There's nothing like fluency. Fluency doesn't mean that you have to speak just like 100 kilometers per hour. No. Fluency means, if you the pace you are speaking, you're comfortable with slow pace, then you should speak like that. If you're comfortable with, like, your normal pace of speaking is very fast, if you're comfortable with that, you speak English like that, it means you are a very good speaker. If you have a moderate speed, still it is okay. Don't consider yourself as a modest person. You are such a genius person. You have many capability to do. You have lots of capability to do lots of things. You can achieve many things in your life, but you are just repeating the negative things in your mind, that I don't have anyone to support. I don't have opportunities to speak English. I don't have partners to speak with. I am providing you. I have provided a platform to speak. Still, homemakers, they don't use it. So, whose mistake is this? It's not mine. The mistake is not mine. It is your mistake. You're not taking this seriously. And there's only one thing because which they are not so much consistent with their speaking practice, because they believe the other person is better than them, and the other person is also thinking the same. The other person is better than her. So that's why they are just busy comparing each other. They are not able to focus on their self, focus on what they are. We have to acknowledge ourselves, we have to acknowledge our current level, we have to assess it, then we have to work on the mistakes, we have to rectify those mistakes. And I am there to help you, there is no doubt. So this is the high time to do something for you. Don't wait for others' guidance. Don't seek for others' guidance. You have to take the responsibility for yourself. You will have to take the initiative for yourself. Then only your dream will come true. And if you have got the opportunity to be the part of that group, then try to make the most out of that group. I would say only one thing. And I just want to mention one thing. It's not a kind of class. I don't provide classes here. I will be guiding you, there's no doubt, but it is just a speaking practice group, English speaking practice group. So you can practice as much as you want, but you just need to be active. Without being active on this group, you you cannot consider yourself that you will achieve, because of which you are here. You will have to make your mindset first. Then you will have to totally engross yourself only into learning. Okay, and you have to follow the rules, which are really very um, imperative for you to follow to become and to master English language. Try to speak only simple language. Don't focus on becoming advanced speaker. First, you need to get in the flow just to speak English flawless without any kind of mistake. So mistakes are going to be the part, there is no doubt. But you should try to speak in a flow. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to speak. You have to speak 24 by 7 in your mind if you can. And speaking out loud is really important, and you will be able to do that through the WhatsApp group. And even if you want, you can do it on your own. You can do it with your self practice. But the thing is that you will have to open your mouth. Until you open your mouth, your mind, your mouth, and means your body will not get accustomed to this different language. So focus on simple or real English. Don't try to be perfect in grammar, and take the steps which are really very important, and that is speaking. Speaking comes from speaking. It doesn't matter whether you are speaking wrong or right, but speaking should be must. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.